In this video, I'd like to answer the question, what is symbolic logic? To answer this question, first we need to define what a proposition or statement is. So a proposition or statement is a complete sentence that can be evaluated as either true or false. So for example, 2 plus 2 is 4. Two plus 2 is 4. This is a true statement. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let me put this in a red box here to emphasize that I'm talking about this whole sentence. 2 plus 2 is 4 is a true sentence, is a true complete sentence, is a true sentence. So that tells us that 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So this sentence is a statement or proposition. Let's look at another example. So instead of writing example all the time, from now on I'll just write EX. Let's see. 2 plus 2 is 10. Maybe I should write that. I'll write that out. It doesn't matter. I could write just 10 here. Yeah. Okay. So 2 plus 2 is 10. This thing in red here, 2 plus 2 is 10, is a false sentence. But it doesn't matter that it's false or that it's true. It just, all that matters is that you can evaluate it as true or false. And there's no gray area. 2 plus 2 is 4. This one up here, right? This we said was true. It's not false. It has to be true. It is true. So this sentence is a statement. This one right here, this one's false, but still it can be evaluated as true or false and not both. So this is also a statement. Now for another example, let's look at something that is not a statement. The movie was funny. The movie was funny. Is true for some people and false for others. And false for others. So this is not a statement or proposition. All right, so now that we know what a statement is, or a proposition, same thing. Remember, proposition and statement, same thing. Now we might ask, okay, well, what is symbolic logic? So I'll answer this question with the goal of symbolic logic. The goal of symbolic logic is when we're given when we're given statements that we assume are true. Maybe we start. So let's say starting with statements assumed to be true, starting with statements assumed to be true, the goal is to make more true statements. The goal is to create a framework to create more true statements. The goal is to create more true statements. And so that's that is really answers the question, what is symbolic logic? Symbolic logic is, you can think of it as kind of like an algebra, it's kind of like an algebra that is used to take true statements and form more true statements. Take statements that we assume to be true and make more true statements. And also statements that are false, we can see that other statements, because we assume certain statements are true and other statements are false. Say we assume some statements are true, some are false, that putting these together, do we get a false statement or a true statement? And we'll see this as we go on with more videos.